are going to, that is the product that we are going to use in 2 liters of molasses into 20 liters of fresh water. Now this mixture is what we use to make silage, and when we use it, it makes our silage ready in 3 days. 3 days. And the silage that we make, so after we will sprinkle on our chopped fodder, chopped and wilted, using a watering can or anything that, or an knapsack sprayer if you have one, but that one that has no chemicals in it. So we sprinkle on a layer of like every 15 centimeters, and then we have to mix and make sure each at least chopped fodder gets some feel of the microbes. So what the guy is doing here is mixing. Once we mix as we sprinkle, so we ensure that at least all of it has gotten some. Then we